Shri S.P. Sori, IAS, District Collector, Dantewada,
and Father Alexander Maramatum, CMI, the President of Nirmal Province, Jagdalpur.
and our beloved Father Principal, Father Roy George.
And as the representative of all the teachers, I would like to invite our senior most teacher, Mrs. Geeta Nair.
And as a representative of all the students, I would like to invite our school leader, Master Rahul Asrani,
to please come on stage and light the lamp.
Honorable Chief Guest of the Day, Shri S.P. Sori, IAS, District Collector, Dantewada, Reverend Father Alexander Maramatum, CMI, Provincial Superior, Nirmal Province, Jagdalpur, Shri Rahul Sharma, IPS, SP, Dantewada, Srimati Alarmail Mangaidi, Additional Collector, Dantewada, Shri V.K. Rai, 41 Battalion, CRPF, Karli, Shri A.K. Gupta, OCBRO, Karli, Shri P. Patel, DEO, Dantewada, Reverend Father Roy George, CMI, our beloved Principal, Reverend Father Vineet, our Vice Principal, invited distinguished guests, respected teachers, beloved parents, dear ladies and gentlemen and friends, a very hearty welcome and good evening to all. Bastar is a land of cultures with a beautiful landscape full of rivers and mountains, trees and treasures. Into this beautiful land, the members of the CMI congregation entered with an aim of spreading the light of knowledge among the most backward and illiterate areas of Bastar. The school is run by the CMI Fathers of Nirmal Province, Jagdalpur, the Carmelites of Mary Immaculate Society, of which the CMI Fathers are members, are engaged in educational, social and healthcare services to humanity. Today, they are bearing the torch of light through education in and through some prestigious institutions like Christ College, Vidya Jyoti School, Jagdalpur, St. Joseph School, Bhanupratapur, and so on. For us, the students and staff, Nirmal Niketan is not a mere institution, but it is our second home where everybody is cared, respected, and loved. Our beloved principal, vice principal, staff, and students all together make it a home through their mutual love and care, support, and cooperation. Really, we are proud to be Nirmal Niketanites. Today, we, the Nirmal Niketan family, celebrate our annual day together with our well-wishers and benefactors, parents and friends. Now, it is my privilege and pleasant duty to welcome each and every one of our honorable guests to the 8th annual day celebrations of Nirmal Niketan School, which is celebrated with great pomp and enthusiasm, joy and happiness. Nirmal Niketan family is very happy and privileged to have among us the chief guest of the day, Shri S.P. Sori, IAS, District Collector, Dantewada, who has taken out some of his invaluable time to be with us on this day. The presence of Reverend Father Alexander Maramatum, CMI, Provincial Superior, Nirmal Province, Jagdalpur, always delights us. He is a father figure for us. Dear Father Alexander, the president of the function. Shri Rahul Sharma, IPS, SP Dantewada, is a man with a lot of responsibilities and busy fulfilling his duties. In spite of this, he has found time to grace this gathering. We are really honored today to have amidst us Srimati Alarmail Mangaidi, Honorable Additional Collector, District Dantewada. Auspicious evening. Let me extend you, dear ma'am, a warm welcome to this annual day celebrations. Shri V.K. Rai, Commandant, 41 Battalion, CRPF, Karli, has always been a fabulous friend of Nirmal Niketan family. He has kindly accepted our invitation to join us in our joy of this day. Let me welcome you, dear sir, with fairy flowers. Let me avail myself of this opportunity to welcome our dear Shri A.K. Gupta, OCBRO Karli. His benign presence adds joy and color to this cultural day. Let me welcome you, dear sir, on behalf of all gathered here. Nirmal Niketan family is pleased to welcome Shri P. Patel, DEO, District Dantewada, to this evening. He is ever ready to extend his helping hand. We are also privileged with many distinguished guests, well-wishers and principals of various schools and colleges. Their helpful nature and cooperation keep us
Hello friends, I am Shivam. Myself Arundhati. Do you like stories? Stories of fairies and princess? Friends, who tells you these stories? Yes, our grandma. Today, they are a surprise for our grandmas. We children are going to tell you stories and sing songs for them. Our friends from KG section are coming with their song Nani Nani Suno Kahani.
चाटी चाटी चीनी चटोरी चीनी घोल चन्ना चक्की चमचम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर चीटी चाटी चीनी चटोरी चीनी घोल कितना मुश्किल है ये ढोना सारा बाकी दिखाना चन्ना चीनी चमके चाटे चौकन्ना चीखे चोर चन्ना चक्की चमचम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर चीटी चाटी चीनी चटोरी चीनी घोल मैं आपको कल का सपना सुनाने आई हूँ। कल मुझे एक सपना आया, सपना मुझे ना भाया। सपने में मैंने देखा दीदी और भैया की दुनिया पढ़ रहे हैं मोटी किताबें, रात रात भर जाग जाग कर कह रहे हैं मम्मी डैडी पढ़ो बेटा तुम जमकर, रानी बिटिया तुम जमकर, बनना है तुमको डॉक्टर। यह देखकर मैंने सोचा इससे अच्छी हम बच्चों की दुनिया, बस खेल कूद और थोड़ी सी पढ़ाई, साथ में चॉकलेट और मिठाई। मैं तो खुश हूँ, मैं छोटी हूँ, हम बच्चे हैं, बच्चे ही रहेंगे, हमको ना बड़ा होना, करेंगे ढेर सारी मस्ती। So ready for मस्ती, 1, 2, 3।
climb a tree.
We are young, we wanna freedom, we wanna be free. Shout, fight, go follow the moon, just climb a tree. We are young, we wanna freedom, we wanna be free. Shout, fight, go follow the moon, just climb a tree. Walk like a dog, down like a cat, meow meow meow, move like a dog. Get ready for musky, 1, 2, 3.
Ringa, 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 lo, hare din aisa ho. बच्चे खेले हरदम खुशियाँ ही खुशियाँ हो रंग की गुब्बारे कितने प्यारे आओ मस्ती में गाए मिलकर हम सारे रिंगा 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 रो हर दिन ऐसा हो बच्चे खेले हरदम खुशियाँ ही खुशियाँ हो Get ready for Masti 1, 2, 3 आइसक्रीम है यहाँ इतनी यारो बस खाते ही जाओ दिल कहता है क्या घर जाना बस यहीं पर रह जाओ क्योंकि यहाँ पे मैकडॉनल्ड का बर्गर मिलता है रात दिन का खून फिल्म का टीवी चलता है
चिड़िया हमसे आके बातें करती है बातों के सफेद सीढ़ी हमसे पड़ती है
रिंगा 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 रो हर दिन ऐसा हो बच्चे खेले हरदम खुशियाँ खुशियाँ हो Get ready for Masti 1, 2, 3 बच्चे हैं हम बच्चे ही रहे हमको न बड़ा होना चाहे ये सब कुछ हो जाए चेतन को नहीं खोना चेतन हमारी दुनिया है जान से प्यारा जुदा न होना खफा न होना हमसे हो यारा
अपनी क्या किस्मत है देखो आपको मिला चेतन हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं और रिंगा 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 रो हर दिन ऐसा हो क्योंकि नाचे खेले हरदम खुशियाँ ही खुशियाँ हो
रंग बिरंगी गुब्बारे हैं कितने प्यारे आओ मस्ती में गाए मिलकर हम सारे
We want freedom, we wanna be free. Shout, fight, go over the moon. Yes, God, the free. Hard like a dog, out. You like a cat, meow. Cool like a dog, Get ready for Masti 1, 2, 3. Ringa, ringa, ro, har din aisa ho. Kyunki nache khele hardam खुशियाँ ही खुशियाँ हो
Achievements and activities of the school during the academic year 2007-2008 Here comes Reverend Father Roy George, our beloved principal, with the annual report.
Honorable Chief Sri S.P. Shori AS, District Collector Dantewada, President of the Function Round for Alexander Maram from CMI, Provincial Superior, Nirmal Province Jagdalpur, Sri Rahul Sharma IPS, Superintendent of Police Dantewada, Sri S.P. Rai, Commandant 41 Battalion CRPF Karli, Sri A.K. Gupta, Officer Commanding BRO Karli, Sri N.S. Chawla, Session Judge Dantewada, Sri Srikant Dubey, Assistant Commissioner Tribal Welfare Department Dantewada, Sri P. Patel, District Education Officer Dantewada, Sri Reverend Father Matthew Kunnel CMI or Manager, Principals of colleges, schools, Reverend Fathers, Reverend Sisters, distinguished guests, dear parents, well-wishers, teachers and my dear students. It is my pleasant privilege and duty to present before this august audience a brief report of various activities of Nirmal Niketan School, Karli, Dantewada during the academic year 2007-8. Nirmal Niketan School is an unaided English medium school established and managed by Nirmal Province Jagdalpur of CMI congregation. CMI congregation was founded by Blessed Chavara Kuriakose Elias in 1831 in Kerala, India. He was a man of far ahead of time with a clear vision and mission, realizing the importance of education to all. He was also a man of prayer. Keeping this in view, we aim at the all-round development of students, namely molding them spiritually, morally, intellectually, mentally and physically. Aim of the school. Admission in our school is open to all, irrespective of caste, creed, class or religion. The motive force behind opening this school education institution is not only to impart some knowledge or certain information, but to mold students into true, responsible and humane citizens for our nation. Staff and students. Nirmal Niketan School has 590 students on the roll in the academic year 2007-8. The secret of the growth and success of Nirmal Niketan School is staff. It is blessed with 25 competent, hardworking and committed staff. Computer education. Computer has become inevitable part of modern life. We have started compulsory computer education from standard 1 onwards. We hope to do more in this field. Sports, games and cultural events. School gives due importance for the physical, physiological and psychological development of the students through sports and games and cultural activities. Because we firmly believe that it is through these sports and games that we can impart a sense of true sportsmanship and a feeling of genuine team spirit. This year we conducted our sports and games and cultural competitions in the month of November 2007. I am very happy to bring to your notice that the cultural items put up by our students during Independence and Republic Day were well appreciated and congratulated by each and every one of the public. Our school band troupe, the pride to school and fascination to public, gives an extra opportunity to develop the hidden talents of the students. Results. In spite of the difficulties of the transition from CG board to ICSE syllabus, our students have secured very encouraging and satisfying result in the 10th ICSE exams. Now I avail myself of this opportunity to congratulate the staff and students for their brilliant achievement. a note of appreciation. I gratefully remember all those who have contributed to the growth and well-being of the school, especially all our former provincial superiors, principals, government officials, parents and well-wishers. I place on record my sincere thanks to the distinguished guest of the day, Honorable Chief Guest Sri S.P. Shori IAS, District Collector Dantewada, President of the function, Reverend Father Alexander Maramata CMI, Provincial Superior, Nirmal Province Chakdarpur, Sri Rahul Sharma IPS, Superintendent of Police Dantewada, Sri S.P. Rai, Commandant 41 Battalion CRPF Karli, Sri A.K. Gupta, Officer Commanding BRO Karli, Sri N.S. Chawla, Session Judge Dantewada, Sri Srikanth Dubey, Assistant Commissioner, Tribal Welfare Department Dantewada, Sri P. Patel, District Education Officer Dantewada, Reverend Father Thomas Vadakindra CMI, Vicar General Catholic Diocese of Jagdalpur, Reverend Father Matthew Kunnel CMI, our Manager. You have encouraged the Nirmal Nigam School family through your valuable presence and blessings. We will gratefully remember you, dear guests, for your love and concern. Hope to continue receiving the same. Let us give thanks to the Lord who always cares and leads us in every step that we take. May good God enlighten us in our search for truth and knowledge. Thanking you all.
Seven color of the rainbow. My KG friends are coming here with the beautiful medallions of Saregama. Here they are with Tararampam.
Okay, now listen up. We're gonna tell you a story. A story about four guys. Doc, Rock, Ma, and Pop.
especially in the books of Psalms, there are scenes of exuberant praise, dancing, shouts, really heavy celebrations. The psalmist praised God and His everlasting love, which is higher than the sky, in and through dancing and singing. Here we have a special presentation in which there are contemporary dance rhythm, but the reason for celebration is same. As the psalmist says, God's love is higher than the sky. So watch out and dance according to the Nalvasams and Nadaswarams, which can really liven up persons, communities and objects and get along moving with students of class 9.
Love like a hornet that we never run dry. The mountains crumble and the people turn sky. What the ace is up and let's go. Whoa, 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 higher than the sky. Everybody's talking about all kinds of things that make the sense of fun to inside. Just the love that shutters down. I'm talking about real love, the music.
Every time I'm making such a change in all my life, when I'm walking on the streets and I am talking to my face, dumping in a garbage in the storm of the blood, it leads me to restore and perfect love. Talking about the flow of the rest of my days, when I wake up in the morning till I get to my bed, it's the coolest way I know to spend the days of my life, surrounded by His loving tenderness.
कांच की गुड़िया फोटो में बांधे प्रेम की पुड़िया हारा से खोले नामों से बोले पलकों पे रख के आंखों से खोले ना से खोले नामों से बोले पलकों पे रख के आंखों से खोले
सुनिया 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 मिस्री से मीठी आँखों में बंधे बात रसीली नाम में बोले नाम से बोले आँखों में रखे आँखों से बोले नाम में बोले नाम से बोले आँखों में रखे आँखों से बोले झूम चमेली झांझरवाली झूम झूम चमेली झांझरवाली झूम
पहाड़ी पार चलना है तो पर्वत हटा दो कटाव में कहीं छुपना है तो सावन बुला दो पहाड़ी पार चलना है तो पर्वत हटा दो कटाव में कहीं छुपना है तो सावन बुला दो
कोई उड़ता हुआ पंछी पता देगा निकला जहाँ से भी निकलता है उसे दिल लेके आना महुआ महुआ महका 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 महुआ महुआ
और कांची कांच की गुड़िया फोटो में बांधे प्रेम की पुड़िया हारा से खोले नामों से बोले पलकों पे रख के आंखों से बोले
सुनिया सुनिया मिस्री से मीठी आँखों में बंधे बात रसीली नाम में बोले नाम से बोले आँखों में रखे आँखों से बोले
और कांची तेरा कोई परिचय हो तो सुंदरी बना दे बड़ी मीठी तेरी मुस्कान है मुंदरी बना दे
महुआ महुआ महका 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 महुआ महुआ
तेरा कोई परिचय हो तो सुंदरी बना दे बड़ी मीठी तेरी मुस्कान है मुंदरी बना दे
है परदेसी मुझे भूल जाएगा कहीं पे देवर जन्नत लोग से गहना समझ के महुआ महुआ महका 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 महुआ महुआ
और कांची कांच की गुड़िया फोटो में बांधे प्रेम की पुड़िया हारा से खोले नामों से बोले पलकों पे रख के आंखों से खोले